Hey guys, I'm Sir O, your teacher on the go. Kung bago ka pa lang sa channel ko, don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell. For today's video lesson, for general mathematics is all about function and relation. To the lesson proper, let us all review the following, which you all encountered in your junior high school years, specifically in grade 8. Identify the following terms. It is the set of the first coordinates. Is it range, domain, or abscissa? The correct answer is the domain. It is the set of second coordinates. Is it range, domain, or abscissa? The correct answer is the range. Find the domain and range of the given ordered pair. Bracket 1, negative 1, 2, negative 3, 0, 5, negative 1, 3, and negative 1, 5. For the domain, we have 1, 2, 0, negative 1, and negative 1. Arrange it from left to right of the number line and put it inside a bracket. Bracket symbol, ang ibig sabihin niyan, the set of x values or the set of domain in a given ordered pairs. So therefore, we have negative 1, 0, 1, and 2. Para naman sa range, we have negative 1, negative 3, 5, 3, and 5. Arrange it from left to right of the number line and put it inside a bracket. So therefore, we have negative 3, negative 1, 3, and 5. These terms will do an essential part in the lesson proper. So, what are we waiting for? Let us now proceed to the lesson proper. Lesson for today is all about function and relation. Relation, it is a set of ordered pairs x and y. Function, it is a relation in which each element of the domain corresponds to exactly one element of the range. Tatandaan, lahat ng function ay relation. Ngunit, hindi naman lahat ng relation ay function. Dahil para maging function ang relation, dapat daw mayroon lamang na iisang katumbas na element o value ang domain sa bawat range. Tandaan na ang value ng domain o value of x sa ordered pairs ay hindi maaaring umulit. Samantalang ang value naman ng range o ng y sa ordered pairs ay maaaring umulit. Function can be represented in different ways. We have a table of values, ordered pairs, graph, and last, an equation. Example of relation given and ordered pairs. Which of the following relation are function? Answer, relation f is the function. Dahil kung titingnan natin, ang value ng x o ang domain sa bawat ordered pair ay walang umuulit na value, which prove that the relation is a function. Kung ikukumpara naman natin sa relation G, values of the domain fit in the first and second ordered pair. Example of relation using mapping diagram. The following relation are function. First example is a function. dahil walang uulit sa ating input which represent the x value or the domain. Second example is not a function dahil may uulit na value sa ating x o sa ating domain. Third example is a function dahil wala ulit uulit sa ating input which represent the x values or the domain. Example of relation given as a graph. Which of the following relation are function? In identifying if the relation is a function, going to use vertical line test. Vertical line test, a graph represents a function if and only if each vertical line intersects the graph at most points. Ibig sabihin, kapag ginamitan natin ng vertical line test ang ating graph, dapat isang beses lang dadaan o mag-i-intersect ang mga vertical lines sa ating graph. To explain it much better, take a look on these examples. Let us now use the vertical line test in the first graph. Using vertical line test, makikita natin na minsan lang niya dinaanan ang ating graph. So, we can therefore conclude that the graph is a function. Second graph, using vertical line test. We can see in the illustration that vertical line test pass the graph more than one. So we can therefore conclude that the graph is not a function. Example of relation given an equation. Which of the following relation are function? Answer the first, second, and the third. To identify whether the equation is a function or not, we can use a table of values and assigning value for x to get the value of y, or we can also use the Desmos graphing calculator na madadownload natin sa ating mga Google Play Store using your cellphone. I-encode lang natin ang equation o template na ito ng graph na pwede natin gamitin ang vertical line test. For example number 1, we're going to use table of values. Substitute the value of x by the assigned value. So we have y is equals to 2x plus 1, y of negative 2 is equals to 2 times negative 2 plus 1. Simplify, we have negative 4 plus 1. Therefore, we have negative 3. Continue the process until we have answer to the assigned values. So let's try. X is equals to negative 1. So we have 2 times negative 1 plus 1. Simplify, negative 2 plus 1. We have negative 1. Completing the table, we have 1, 3, and 5. We can therefore conclude that the example is a function dahil kung titignan natin ang value ng x o ang ating domain sa bawat ordered pair ay walang umuulit na value, which prove that the relation is a function. Now, let us try using Desmos graphing calculator. Open the Desmos graphing calculator application. Then encode the equation in the application. After encoding the equation, you will now use the vertical line test, showing that our graph is a function. Isa pang madaling paraan para malaman kung ang equation ay function or not a function ay by looking on the y value or on the range. Kapag ang ating y value ay naka-squared, ibig sabihin, ito ay not a function. Ating example, meron tayong y ulit sa pangalawa, pangatlo meron tayong y, sa panghuli meron tayong y squared na not a function. Example of relation involving a real line. Which of the following relation are function? enter automobile and plate number. Dahil walang automobile ang maaaring gumamit ng isang plate number na katulad ng kanyang plate number, which prove that the relation is a function. Samantalang ang ating math teacher at student in the class is not a function. Dahil si math teacher ay maaaring magturo ng maraming student. So this example is not a function. Let's out an evaluation. The following relation are function.
That's all for today. Thank you for watching. For more video lessons and tutorials updates, don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell. Muli, I'm Sir O, your teacher on the go. Adios, amigos!